Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel specialized in designing applications using MATLAB AppDesigner. Today we are presenting an application with very easy to follow interface. This application is very useful for photographers. We call it Image Metadata Scanner. This is our application. As we can see, if we run it, we can see this interface. So from here we can select any folder that contains photos. I will select this folder. It is just a sample of some real pictures taken by my mobile phone. So I will select this folder. Okay, we can see that there are 5 pictures inside. If we want to extract the metadata of any picture, then we can just select that picture. We can see this picture, and at the right hand side we can see the information. So the first part is general information. It will scan all the general metadata information. For example, file name, the date that the picture was taken, file size, the format, the width, height, the bit depth, and also color type. There are lots of information. If we come down, we will see the device used to take this picture. For example, here we can see Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the software used for this device is this software. As we can see, it is just a code. It is an internal software used by Samsung, I think. And if we come to the other group or other category, which is about the digital camera, it will display all the settings used for this picture. For example, exposure time, f-stop or f-number, exposure program, and lots of things here. ISO speed, for example. So we can come also to the bottom and we will see lots of information. Of course, there are some empty informations. This means what? This means that this picture doesn't have these informations. And as we know, for professional photographers, they can add artist, description, copyright, creation time, title, and there are lots of things. Some also cameras gives more details or more metadata. So all these data can be extracted and displayed through this program. Here also we can see the third category. We have also other informations. And the last one, if there are some unknown tags, they will also display here. So this is for the first picture. Let's see the other picture. So here the f number or f-stop is 1.7. The exposure time is this time. Let's see this one. We can see also the information is changed. We can see also the metadata is changed for this picture. For this picture, it used 2.2 f-stop and the exposure time was 0.125 second because it is at night. This one, because we can see the sunlight, it is directly pointed to our sun, so the time is very, very small. It is 0.000256. It is in milli or in microseconds, and the f-stop is 2.2. It is just the settings for that. And for the fifth one, we can also see other informations. So the information in all these pictures can be extracted and also can be saved. For example, this picture. If I want to extract all these data from this photograph, then I can just press on Save Path. Let's say this path. Okay, and we will also come here inside and then I will just click on save. So we can see that the information is ready. If I come to the folder and open it, I will see all the information here. So if I press on general information, I will see all these informations. For this one, also we can see all these informations. So even for flash did not fire, no strobe return detection functions. There are lots of useful informations. These informations are used actually by photographers if they want to study from other more professional photographers. They want to know what were the settings used in these pictures. So all these informations can be extracted. If you want to use this program, or if you want to try this program, it is available below in the description box. Right now it is available just as a closed source, and you can use it as user and not as developer. If you want the full source, then please contact us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.